Hi, you're watching India Today Global with me, Ishita Mitra. And the big question we're asking today is, are the charges leveled against the Adani Group fake? Well, the group is back in the spotlight, and this time it's a high-stakes investigation from the US Department of Justice. But there's a twist here. Now, earlier it was reported that US prosecutors had charged the chairman of the Adani Group in a graft case. But now, the company is strongly denying some of the charges, while at the same time acknowledging others. And here's where it gets complicated. So let me break it down for you. Adani Green Energy Limited has now categorically denied allegations that its senior executives, including Gautam Adani, himself violated US Foreign Corrupt Practices Act. Now that's FCPA, a major US law that bans bribery of foreign officials. Now the company says that reports claiming these allegations are flat out wrong. But of course, there's a but here. Now, Adani Green Energy Limited has admitted that the executives are facing 3 serious charges, but it is not related to corruption. So, at large, the indictment includes 5 counts overall. And the story here is about the charges they're not implicated in. Now, according to the Adani Group, Gautam Adani and his nephew Sagar Adani are not implicated in what are bribery charges related to foreign corruption or obstruction of justice. Instead, the company says that the count 1 and count 5 involving bribery and obstruction of justice name individuals linked to other entities like Azure Power and Canadian institutional investor CDPQ, but not the Adanis. And those charges name executives from these companies including Ranjit Gupta and Saurabh Agrawal, among others. And the other 3 charges, which are linked to alleged securities and fraud conspiracy, alleged wire fraud conspiracy, and alleged securities fraud, are the ones that name the Adanis. And all of these charges carry potential monetary penalties. So why is this such a big deal for Adani then? Well, the allegations claim that executives paid over $265 million to Indian officials to secure deals in renewable energy. And if you see, Adani Group has denied these allegations, stating that it will take all necessary legal measures to defend itself. And now former Attorney General Mukul Rohtgi, who's now defending Adani along with Rajya Sabha MP and senior advocate Mahesh Jethmalani, both of them have stated that the case against Adani's is built on a shaky ground. They say that US authorities have not provided any specific name or concrete evidence. The Adani Group claims that the Department of Justice and SEC cases are built on hearsay testimonies from former employees of Azure Power and CDPQ. They call it reckless false reporting. Now, Mahesh Jethmalani even went a step ahead and said the timing and the intent of the Department of Justice can be questioned. He cited former US President Donald Trump's criticism of the agency as well. Now, US authorities claim that the alleged bribery scheme misled American investors and financial institutions. You see, this is a big deal for Adani because over the years, it has raised billions for its renewable energy ventures from such organizations. So these accusations risk reigniting doubts about corporate governance and investor trust in the group itself. And if you see, even these allegations, even if they are unproven, the fallout has been swift, as the damage is already done. International projects like the Kenya airport deal have been shelved, power agreements in Bangladesh are disrupted, and investors at large are nervous. Along with that, Adani's market stability is once again under scrutiny. If you see, this is something very similar to what happened last year. Remember Hindenburg research report? Well, they accused Adani of stock manipulation and fraud, and this caused a massive $150 billion drop in its market value before the group clawed its way back. But now it seems that these changes have reopened those wounds. So what's next? Well, Adani is pushing back hard, denying bribery charges and questioning the credibility of the indictment itself. But the legal battle is far from over. For a group that had just started regaining its footing, these fresh allegations could mean yet another uphill climb. So that's it. These are the latest developments on the Adani scandal. Thank you so much, viewers, for watching this. Stay tuned to India Today Global, where we simplify geopolitics for you.